Okay, next we're going to go over testing for continuity. Continuity is when we take the two probes and we touch two conductors, and then we're trying to see if those two conductors are either together, meaning all one piece, or those two conductors are touching at some point. So a good example of that is what we're going to do is we're going to set, we're going to use the first, the DL389 meter. We're going to set it to tone, which is right here. Turn on your light. We could see that it's showing that little continuity symbol there for an alarm. And what that is when we touch these two terminals together, see the bottom number is going to change to 0. It's going to read resistance. The resistance is 0 because there's no resistance right now because the two are touching. If right now there's an infinite amount of resistance, that's the OL, and that's because we're not connected whatsoever. So let me put the meter here for you to see it. And I'm just going to take this piece of thermostat wire, and you'll see when I touch the two green wires, one on one side here, and I touch it to the other one on this side, you'll actually see where it does create a tone. Bottom number goes to almost to 0. So that says that these two green wires are together. Obviously this is the same wire. This is just an example, but if these wires ran through, if they were all one color, if these were all green wires on one side, 6 of them here, 6 of them here, or 5 and 5, we didn't know which ones were linked together. We could always touch one wire on this side, touch one wire on this side until we got a tone, and we would know that those wires are together. So again, you set this, the DL389 to continuity right here, which is right above ohms. You don't have to push any selectors to get it into that mode. However, if we look at the UEI 479, you could see where the tone is located right next to the omega symbol, which is ohms, which is how we read resistance. If we hold this button on the side, we turn the light on, then we want the tone here, which is for continuity. So we're going to hit this little select button until we see it on the screen. So it just changed to continuity there. And again, if I put the meter down, take the two probes, touch them together, it's going to get a tone. And again, this meter only has one number, so you don't have to see that top number and bottom number change. You'll just see one number here change. And again, that is when the two go together, you'll see that. And again, that's how we check for continuity.